Hi, how are you? Today I'm going to show you guys how to use your iPhone 6, the Ipay mobile application for Apple to work with the My Merchant Gateway. First, you're going to launch and log in. I'm not going to go over how to configure the actual settings because that's a whole other issue where nobody really has any problems. It's based off of the email with all the specific usernames and passwords and gateway values. So I'm just going to go ahead and talk about this, which is a Unimag Pro by Idtech headset headphone card reader. All right. First thing you want to do is make sure you can get into the app. You've already tested possibly the app with manually keying. You can see your transaction on the gateway. That part works. All right. Notice how I have a case on my phone. I am taking it off. The case must be off. So I'm taking the case off the phone. All right. Also, in the box comes with a bunch of adapters that you can put on to your phone or your iPad to make the connection a little stronger. I don't use it. I don't need it. All right. So what you want to do, make sure your app doesn't time out. If you need to put in your PIN number again, put your PIN number again. Make sure there are no other apps running. On an iPhone, this is the 6 with operating system 9. Double tap and then close by swiping up on all of the extra apps that may be running. So all you have open is iPay Mobile. Make sure your volume is all the way up. See how the ringer goes all the way up? So all the white bars on the ringer are all the way up. Make sure your little mute button or vibrate button is pressed and pulled forward so the red does not show. Okay? Again, the ringer icon will come up and show that you've got 100% volume. All right? Next thing you want to do, just take the reader, plug it right into the headphone set. Sorry, this is on the bottom of a 6 Plus. Push it all the way in so it clicks. You should see on your screen, powering up reader. Card reader connected. It's a message. Let me see if I can get closer so you can see it. Card reader connected. It says the card reader has been successfully detected. To initiate a card swipe request, click on the account number field. If by chance you've gotten this far and these things are not happening, start over again. I hit OK. All right. I put $1 into the dollar amount by keying it in, and I tap on the credit card number field, and a please swipe card prompt comes up. It's kind of difficult to see this. Please swipe card. Credit card. I don't think it even matters what direction I'm swiping in. I'm putting the magnetic stripe into the reader some way and just swiping it through. Card reader error, try again. I think it just timed out. So I'm going to type in the card reader slot. And there you have it. The card number was read. As long as that populates, hit process transaction. I'm going to submit as a sale. Processing. Approved. What you want to look for, the host reference ID should populate with an actual number. See how it says 7758657? That number you can go onto your My Merchant Gateway and look at and see this transaction communicated successfully. All right? Hand it over, sign. The rest of the application works just fine. Hand it over. Authorize the signature. Hand it back to your customer. Email it. There you have it. All right? Does it work on an iPad? Yes, it does. The same exact scenario. Next video, I'll show you how I do that, because I'm going to take this exact same app on an iPad and run the refund off of this sale. Okay? So I'm going to disconnect it, close my app, and I'll continue the video because I have to swap my devices and start recording with my phone, because I'm right now recording with my iPhone.